This Oral-B toothbrush is amazing. My dentist recommended it, and I'm never going to go back. One of my favorite things is the head. This one is, easy to pop on and off, but it's a circular one. It goes around in motion. We had another one that's kind of like a more traditional toothbrush that just kind of vibrated. Didn't feel like it cleaned my teeth as much. This one, on the other hand, definitely does. And another thing I want to point out is I don't know if you can see, it's got a certain head in there. I also tried another cheaper version of the heads from Amazon, and it didn't spin all the way. So, for example, you put this on. When you turn it on, see how it spins in a circle? The other one just kind of vibrated. And then if it was like too much pressure when you push down on your teeth, it wouldn't even go. This one, powerful enough to brush your teeth, but it doesn't hurt. See, I can push on it. It's still going. You hear it gets a little quieter, but definitely the Oral-B one is better for those who are a little more aggressive. So just push it on, turn it off. Simple. Power button. On, off, right? It's got a little charging base here. So when you're done, you just stick it on and it charges like that. Another thing is you can hear it's pretty quiet. I mean, yeah, it makes a little bit of a vibration sound, but it's not that bad. I can talk over it. I can still brush my teeth in the morning when my wife is in bed. So overall, like I said, it's one of my favorite toothbrushes. I might get a higher upgraded one eventually, but for this one, this is awesome.